What's going on, guys? Alright, so I'm doing a lot of videos today because I'm trying to catch up on some stuff. Now, I've started a new YouTube channel and it's called CK Wraps Vehicle Disassembly. So it'll probably come up there if you search it somewhere underneath my current channel. The idea of this channel is to give you guys the knowledge that you need in order to take apart a vehicle. I know taking apart a vehicle is like half the battle when it comes to wrapping a car or doing a good wrap on a car. You want to take apart a car because it's going to allow you to get further in, deeper, clean out certain areas, and not have to work around things like, you know, if you couldn't take the door handle off, then you need to put a seam there, which kind of sucks, right? So you don't want to put a seam around the door handle area. We just want to wrap it like nice and flush right through the cup, the door handle cup, as opposed to putting a piece in there. So getting things like that off is very important. Getting the mirrors off, trim pieces, that kind of stuff. That way we can tuck in, get things out of our way. Again, that's very important. Getting things out of the way is very important. And yeah, so guys, I will post a link right in the top corner to the new YouTube channel. And if you want to learn how to take apart cars, I already got a bunch of videos on the way for this Honda Civic Type R. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to that one, and yeah, so stay up to date with new videos on how to go about taking apart cars. I hope it's very helpful for you guys. I thought it would be a good idea since a lot of you have been asking, and I do take cars apart a lot. So guys, if you like this color here, which I love it, on this car, this is Gloss Riviera Blue. I'll leave it in the description below, a link to it. And that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy the new channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.